reason why I lift my hands, why I lift my voice. Hi guys, it's your girl Evee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients, and you know it. So today we are making this glossy and delicious peanut butter soup. Just me say Nkate Nkwan pape with menken fufu. It's on semi baywa. Okay, so let's go. Just follow the step-by-step recipe and you're gonna enjoy. Wash sanya aye akono. Yes, so family, let's get cooking. So over here I have my saucepan ready, so I add my cow foods. Please note I'll be listing all the ingredients in the description box, so you check it out, okay? So I add my blended garlic ginger. Now I add my seasoning. So we're gonna stir this, add a little water to it, cover it for it to cook. We all know how cooking cow feet can be very tough. Yeah, so I'm gonna let this cook for about 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, here we are. So I add my remaining protein, that is tripe, chicken, and some tolo beef. So we're gonna stir this and then allow it to cook together with the cow food for another extra 20 minutes. So at this point, I add some Prekese or Aidan fruits. Very, very nutritious. Family, you're gonna consume some, okay? So these are my tomatoes and my peppers. So I'm gonna boil it a bit together with the seasoning for about 5 minutes, and then now I add my fish, that's a salmon. Yeah, so you're gonna be careful with the salmon so it doesn't tear. I want it chunk in my soup. Just enter my soup apoti. So what's the me say? Yeah, so at this point we're gonna blend our onion, peppers, and then I'll be adding some turkey berries. Yes, Nkate Nkwan turkey berries kahwa and mani de papa. And one secret ingredient is I add lots of ginger to my peanut butter soup. So we blend and then we add it to our soup. Na enuya me say ahaya hwam and kwai be de papa. So we add some little water and then we allow it to simmer. So this is how I make my peanut butter. So I add some tomato puree to it and then we are gonna stir this. Yes, so it incorporates into each other. So if you want a glossy peanut butter soup, open Nkate Nkwan aye sokora onuya yeni say. So I add water to it and then I'm gonna mix. So I stir, and then at this point I realized my ladder was making the whole process slow. What you say? Me pentam na fufu. So I gotta use my hand, but make sure it is neatly and properly washed. Okay, so this is our end results. Yeah, so with this we just transfer it straight into our soup, but you need to remove the fish so it doesn't tear, but this is optional. Okay, me salmon a bit. Yeah, so I add my peanut butter soup, add some water to it, and here we go. So there are lots of recipes on how to make peanut butter soup in Nkate Nkwan. Yes, but this is how sometimes I make mine. So I just cover it, and then please make sure you don't cover it fully. Just cover it halfway and allow it to cook gradually on its own. Okay, and just look at this. So now I add my fish back to it because my soup is almost cooked. So I stir it and then just allow it on a low fire to cook gradually. And then after tasting, I realized I needed a little salt, so I added the salt to it. And here we are. Soko na emape, soko na Evee pe. Wash Nkate Nkwan na ye soko say. You can see my fish is still intact, and this soup, oh my goodness, family. Just follow the step-by-step recipe and your family, they are gonna enjoy. So I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for the massive support. If you are new to my channel, thank you and welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. Okay, so we can pair it with Kokonte or face the wall over here. And then this is also menken fufu, that is cocoyam fufu, another tasty swallows family. Yes, I know you want to try this, so just follow this and you are good to go. Okay, thank you guys. Please come, let's enjoy lunch. Okay, if you like this video, just give your girl some thumbs up, like, comment, and please share so we grow together. Thank you. Bye family.